everybody back to another video, and I'm fishing by the river. So, and if you don't believe me, there's that tent, there's the river. I don't know if you can see it. Can you see it? See, my dad's setting up, all of that. So yeah, and then my cute puppy, come here. Yeah, she's a cute one. So yeah, fishing by the river. See ya. Tell you if I catch a fish.